So 1,572. That's a big number, right? So this number comes from the past 7 days for the greater Atlanta, Georgia real estate market. So what does 1572 actually represent? So pop quiz, right? Is it the number of homes sold in the past 7 days? Is it the number of new listings? Or is it the number of price drops? Which one do you think it is? Well, it's actually the number of price decreases, price drops in the past 7 days. And those of you who have listings may have already noticed, but there has been a decrease in showings. So Showing Time reported for May 2022 that showings are down in the south region of the U.S. by 22%. New listings hitting the market in the past 7 days is 2,164. So we have homes on the market that are dropping in price, new listings coming onto the market. Maybe you are a buyer who has stepped out of the real estate ring. You may be starting to take a look at what's going on. You may start to pay attention again for sure. So expired listings, 303, withdrawn 257. Maybe you are prospecting expired listings. Most expired listings are relisted with a brokerage firm. So just in the past 7 days, you have 303. So what about pending deals? What about closed sales? So 1,765 for pending. You got 735 for closed. Those are pretty equally matched. And what about days on market? 19 days on market. That's less than 30. It's still a seller's market for sure, right? But this number has slowly creeped up every month this year. So 19 days on the market is up a little bit from where we were. Average sales price, $477,738, and that includes residential, both detached and attached properties. And what about the highest sale? So in the past week, the highest sale was $5 million, and this was a property located in DeKalb, 7 bedrooms, 6 full bathrooms, and 2 half bathrooms. It was only on the market for 39 days. Not too bad, right? 39 days on the market and $5 million sale. So what about setting real expectations when we are talking to buyers and sellers right now? So your friends and your family who had such tremendous success 6 months ago, maybe a year ago, their homes maybe sold in a day or two. Folks were lined up down the street for open houses. That's probably gone. So, but it's still a great time to sell your home. It's still a seller's market. 19 days on the market is nothing to shrug off, right? But negotiating may be back. So we expect that we'll see more sellers willing to negotiate with buyers, maybe accepting a due diligence period again or standard contingencies. Personally, as a broker here in Georgia, I've received less questions about appraisal gap clause stipulations. And that is definitely a sign that things are starting to cool off a little bit. It may just simply take longer for listings to sell at top prices. So when we're talking to our sellers, these are just some talking points when we're setting those realistic expectations. And doesn't necessarily have to be a price reduction. Perhaps it's a home warranty. Perhaps it's some other incentive. Again, allowing a buyer to have a standard due diligence or standard contingencies. How many offers have we seen over the past few years with buyers are willing to waive their financing contingencies? Maybe those are going to be more negotiable now.